Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create surveys in Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head over to the Audience section. From there, you'll find Surveys in the navigation menu on the left. Click on it and then select Create Survey to kick things off. Give your survey a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. This initial setup takes just a few moments, getting you ready for the next steps in building your effective survey. Now, let's dive into designing your survey questions. Mailchimp offers several question types, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, radio buttons, and open text fields. Simply drag and drop your chosen question types onto the survey canvas. You can easily reorder them to create a logical flow. Remember to mark any crucial questions as required, ensuring respondents provide all the necessary information before submitting their answers. This helps gather comprehensive data. Next, it's time to customize your survey's appearance. You can personalize it with your brand's colors and add a logo or other images to maintain a consistent visual identity. Mailchimp provides options to adjust fonts and background colors, making your survey visually appealing. Don't forget to configure the confirmation message that respondents will see after they submit their answers, providing a clear thank you or next steps. Finally, let's talk about sharing your survey and analyzing the results. Once your survey is ready, you can share it through a direct link, embed it on your website, or distribute it via email campaigns and social media. Mailchimp provides a dashboard where you can view real-time responses and track important metrics like completion rates. You can also export all your survey data for more in-depth analysis using other tools, giving you valuable insights.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.